you are watching this video, you have facing the same problem, that's why you are watching the video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix that issue, which is Microsoft Word automatically opening, and when you click on close it will automatically running the Microsoft again. Also when you are using the Word currently, but also it will automatically create a new tab. Also you can see my Word is automatically started again. So we are gonna fix this issue with very simple method. Just click close this and search this so we are going to click on add or remove programs here. Just click on it and we have to find our Microsoft Word. So here you can see this is my Microsoft Office, which is 2019. So click on more option and click on modify, just yes, and you can see how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office program. Just click on quick repair and click on repair also, again on repair, and we have to wait a minute for this completing. So after this method I think we will fix that issue. So we will check it is worked or not after the repair. So it will take a little bit time. You can see our Word is our Microsoft 365 is already repairing start. It will repair all the Microsoft Okay, our repairing is done. Just click on close. Let's check it work or not. We will close this and we will wait it will fix it or not. So I think it will fix that issue because I am not facing this issue again. So I hope this video will help you, and if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.